How to fix screen mirroring on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can fix screen mirroring on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, fixing the screen mirroring on your iPhone is also fairly simple. What happens over here is that if you just happen to go ahead and then basically you are trying to screen mirror your iPhone to some other device which is a secondary device, let's say, but you're not being able to find it. Now what you can do in this case is open up settings first, then just go to general. Then here you can see AirPlay and hands off. Tap on it, and here you can see automatically AirPlay. This might have been set to never. So what I want you to do is just set this to automatic. Once you set this to automatic, come back and just try to screen mirror if there is a secondary device, or from the general tab again go to software update, check if your device has an update, and if it does then make sure to update it to the latest version. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically fix screen mirroring on your iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.